In recent years, fluctuations in the price of Bitcoin and changes in regulations have brought increased attention to the handling of cryptocurrencies and corporate asset management strategies. In particular, even in Japan, more companies are actively holding Bitcoin. This video explains the top 5 Bitcoin holding companies in Japan as of February 11, 2025, along with companies planning to purchase Bitcoin in the future. Hello. This time, we will be discussing the Bitcoin holdings of Japanese companies such as Metaplanet, Nexon, Remixpoint, and Gumi, as well as their future outlook. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Top 5 Bitcoin holding companies in Japan. Metaplanet. Metaplanet is one of the most proactive companies in Japan when it comes to holding Bitcoin. As of the end of December 2024, the company holds 1,762 BTC, which is equivalent to approximately $130 million, about 19 billion yen, based on a BTC price of around $75,000. Furthermore, the company aims to hold over 10,000 BTC by the end of 2025. If achieved, this would make it an exceptionally large Bitcoin holding company among Japanese corporations. Why does Metaplanet actively hold Bitcoin? Metaplanet's Bitcoin strategy is said to be inspired by the successful model of MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is a US-based company that has made Bitcoin the core of its asset management, and its stock price has grown in tandem with Bitcoin's price. Metaplanet's adoption of this strategy can be attributed to the following factors: yen depreciation and inflation hedge. Japan has experienced prolonged low interest rate policies, leading to yen depreciation. By holding Bitcoin, the company aims to hedge against the decline in the value of fiat currency. Enhancement of corporate value. Increasing BTC holdings can boost asset value and attract greater market attention. Attraction of global investors. In Western markets, companies that hold Bitcoin tend to be highly valued. Metaplanet aims to attract overseas investors through this strategy. Moving forward, attention will be on how the company's Bitcoin acquisition plan unfolds and whether other Japanese companies follow suit. Nexon. Nexon, a leading Japanese gaming company, made an unprecedented move in April 2021 by investing approximately $100 million, about 11 billion yen, to purchase 1,717 BTC. This decision was highly unusual for a Japanese company and had a significant impact on the Bitcoin market at the time. Why did Nexon purchase Bitcoin? Nexon's decision to purchase Bitcoin was driven by the following strategic objectives: hedging against inflation and preserving cash assets. In corporate asset management, concerns over the declining purchasing power of fiat currencies, especially the yen and the dollar, have been growing. Bitcoin is regarded as digital gold and has gained attention as a hedge against inflation. Nexon decided to diversify its investments into Bitcoin to maintain the long-term value of its cash holdings. Bitcoin as a long-term investment. Nexon's CEO views Bitcoin as an asset with long-term value and has expressed an intention to hold it without being influenced by short-term price fluctuations. Rather than engaging in short-term trading, the company emphasizes holding Bitcoin as part of its corporate asset management strategy. Appealing to overseas markets. By investing in Bitcoin, Nexon can showcase its innovation and advanced asset management capabilities, particularly to investors in Europe and the United States. In the US, companies like MicroStrategy and Tesla have already invested in Bitcoin, and Nexon's move is seen as following this trend. Future developments. Nexon has not announced any additional Bitcoin purchases so far but continues to maintain its holding policy. Depending on future market trends and the actions of other Japanese companies, a new Bitcoin strategy may be developed. Remixpoint. Remixpoint is one of the companies operating in the cryptocurrency-related business in Japan, primarily engaged in the electricity and energy sector and cryptocurrency trading business. The company actively promotes asset management utilizing cryptocurrencies, particularly by holding Bitcoin as a strategy to hedge against yen depreciation risks and inflation risks. Why does Remixpoint hold Bitcoin? Hedging against yen depreciation. To mitigate the risk of relying solely on fiat currency, considering Japan's long-term trend of yen depreciation, the company utilizes digital assets such as Bitcoin. As part of its diversified investment strategy, Remixpoint is increasing the proportion of digital assets in its corporate holdings. Leveraging business synergies. The company has extensive experience in the cryptocurrency market, having previously operated the cryptocurrency exchange Bitpoint. By integrating its existing energy business with the use of digital assets, Remixpoint seeks to develop new business models, enhancing international competitiveness. Holding cryptocurrencies helps strengthen relationships with overseas investors and partner companies, thereby increasing its presence in global capital markets. With the growth of Web3 related businesses, Remixpoint anticipates the long-term value appreciation of Bitcoin. Future outlook. Remixpoint is expected to continue evaluating trends in the cryptocurrency market while considering further investments. In particular, New blockchain utilization strategies in collaboration with the energy business are attracting attention, and developments beyond 2025 will be of significant importance. Gumi, the mobile game developer Gumi has announced plans to purchase Bitcoin worth 1 billion yen between February and May 2025. With this move, the company is adopting a full-fledged strategy for utilizing cryptocurrencies, which is rare among domestic gaming companies. In particular, attention is being drawn to the development of a new revenue model through collaboration with the staking protocol Babylon. Why is Gumi purchasing Bitcoin? Full-scale entry into the Web3 market. Gumi is strengthening its development of blockchain games and aiming to build an ecosystem that leverages crypto assets. With the advancement of Web3 technology, the company seeks to establish new revenue models by incorporating Bitcoin as part of in-game economies. Utilization of the staking protocol Babylon. Babylon is a new mechanism that allows Bitcoin holders to earn yields by staking their crypto assets. By utilizing its BTC holdings through Babylon, Gumi is engaging in a strategic investment that goes beyond mere asset management, enhancing corporate value and risk diversification. The gaming industry is highly influenced by market trends, so holding Bitcoin helps diversify assets. Additionally, as the crypto market continues to expand, Gumi aims to attract attention from global Web3 investors through its BTC investments. Future outlook. Gumi's purchase of Bitcoin is an innovative move for a Japanese gaming company and has the potential to significantly enhance the company's value as the blockchain gaming market continues to grow. In particular, if the operation of Bitcoin utilizing Babylon proves successful, it could become a new model case for Japanese companies' crypto asset strategies. Bitflyer. Bitflyer is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in Japan, and has maintained a dominant market share in the domestic market since its establishment in 2014. As an exchange, Bitflyer holds a certain amount of Bitcoin as its own assets. However, the exact quantity is not publicly disclosed. Why does Bitflyer hold Bitcoin? Ensuring liquidity for exchange operations. The exchange needs to secure a certain amount of BTC as a liquidity pool to facilitate smooth transactions for users. It is likely that Bitflyer maintains BTC as an internal asset to handle large transactions and sudden market fluctuations. Operation of margin trading and crypto lending services. Bitflyer offers a crypto lending service, where BTC is loaned to users, necessitating the possession of BTC for its operation. Additionally, BTC is often used as collateral for leveraged margin trading, so the company also holds a certain amount. Security and asset management optimization. Considering past exchange hacking incidents, Bitflyer implements strict cold wallet management, holding its own Bitcoin separately from customer assets. As part of security enhancement, the BTC storage system has been reinforced. Future outlook. Bitflyer is expected to appropriately manage its operational assets as an exchange, while anticipating domestic regulatory changes and the entry of institutional investors. In particular, if the approval of Bitcoin ETFs progresses, exchanges like Bitflyer may increase their holdings to secure greater BTC liquidity. Companies planning to purchase Bitcoin in the future. Gumi's plan to purchase Bitcoin is an extremely unusual move for a Japanese gaming company and is closely related to the growth of the Web3 market. In particular, the utilization of the Babylon staking protocol is drawing attention as a new revenue model in the cryptocurrency market. Companies planning to purchase Bitcoin in the future. Impact of Gumi's Bitcoin investment on the industry. Expansion of the blockchain gaming market. Gumi is actively promoting the development of Web3 games and exploring the creation of a new play-to-earn ecosystem by leveraging Bitcoin. This could lead to the widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies in Japan's gaming industry. BTC holdings as a corporate financial strategy. In the United States, companies like MicroStrategy have increasingly adopted Bitcoin as a corporate asset. If Gumi successfully implements this strategy, it could be recognized as a pioneer in BTC utilization among Japanese companies, potentially influencing other game companies to follow suit. The potential of Bitcoin management utilizing Babylon. Differences from traditional Bitcoin investments. Rather than simply holding BTC, Gumi adopts a strategy of generating yields by staking through Babylon. This approach differs from the traditional static Bitcoin holding strategy employed by companies, representing a more active management approach. Balancing risk and return. Staking offers the potential to secure stable returns in addition to the appreciation of BTC's asset value. However, it also comes with protocol operation risks. Therefore, the success or failure of Gumi's strategy will depend on the future growth of the market and regulatory developments. Future developments and impact on Japanese companies. Depending on Gumi's success, other game companies in Japan may accelerate their moves to incorporate Bitcoin into their financial strategies. Since they may be affected by regulations, it will be necessary to adapt to changes in regulations by Japan's Financial Services Agency and international regulatory bodies. If Gumi's utilization of Bitcoin proves successful, it could become a new model case for Japanese companies' crypto asset strategies, potentially marking a turning point in corporate asset management strategies. Summary: Japanese companies' holdings of Bitcoin are attracting attention from the perspectives of asset management and risk hedging. Going forward, it will be essential to closely monitor market trends and regulatory changes, as companies will need to make strategic decisions accordingly.